Hi everyone, welcome back to Natural Beauty with Melanie. Today we are here to open up the September 2021 Beauty Heroes box. I have it right here in front of me and all I did was break the seal. I have not opened it. I have no clue what's in here, so I'm really excited. We got an email saying that something in here was temperature sensitive, so don't let it sit in your mailbox, and that they wouldn't be able to replace it if it got too hot or damaged or something, so I'm kind of intrigued. Yeah, so I have no clue. I've stayed away from social media today. So let's just dive in. I always love the anticipation of like opening up the box and seeing what's in there. So let's see. Ooh, okay. It says 7, celebrating 7 years of healthy beauty. So I didn't want to say this before I started the video, but I have seen in other September videos that it's the anniversary for Beauty Heroes. So they have done like a 5 for 5 years, and I believe they did 5 different products. I think last September, I thought they did just one brand. So I was like, is there a chance they would do 7 for 7, you know, 7 items for their 7th anniversary? But I was like, probably not. So anyways, I'm excited because what if there is multiple products in here? I'm so excited. All right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh yeah, looking good. It's looking good. All right, got a little variety here. All right, it says what's inside, but instead of me looking at all in the paper, let's just see what we have in here. All right, first thing I see is a Nopalera moisturizing botanical bar with nopal oil and tepezcoat. No idea how to say this. I actually bought this soap, 2 different types of these, but not this scent. So I'm excited for that. I love soaps. Let's see, we have a note in here and another note, but we'll get to that, okay? Ooh, Blissoma Clay Renewal Treatment. That's fun. I have never used anything from Blissoma. Pretty box. All right. Then we have something from Violets Are Blue Luminate Gel Cream. And I have not used anything from Violets Are Blue either. Then we have the Inner Sense Detox Hair Mask. I do have one of their hair masks, but it's not the Detox one. It's a different one. That's cool. I do like their products. And it looks like our last product is Gradin Face Glow Tinted Moisturizer Primer and Illuminator. Gemstone infused formula. Wow, so we have, looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different products. So let's dive in here. It says we have a little sweet note celebrating 7 years of beauty, healthy beauty. Hi friends, it's hard to believe that this box marks 7 years of Beauty Heroes discoveries. Thank you so much for getting Beauty Heroes and our vision of helping you discover truly healthy beauty, one hero product at a time. Our company has evolved over the last 7 years into a community of conscious consumers, that's you, who care deeply about brands that are transparent, healthy, and effective while helping us live lighter on the planet. I'm proud to say that after 7 years, we've kept true to our mission, and with our focus on planet-positive blue beauty, we're only getting wiser. I promise there is a lot to look forward to for the rest of this year and beyond. Expect some incredible discoveries, more blue beauty announcements, and some very special collaborations. Here's to 7 more. Jeannie. And it looks like the Nopalera Moisturizing Botanical Bar is sensitive to extreme heat. If the external tin, all right, so there must be a tin in here, feels warm upon receipt, or the bar feels soft when you open it, simply put the tin in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Tap the tin gently on a hard surface to loosen the bar. Also, the top of the tin is meant to be threaded and turned gently to close. Do not press down on the tin to close. So that's what the bar of soap looks like. Like you saw, that was that. I love a tin. Definitely can reuse this. And this is the Nopalera Soap. All right, so let's find out about the soap. Okay, so it's 56 grams, a value of $30. Why we love it. The moisture melts on our skin, zero waste melts our hearts. Nopalera founder Sandra Velasquez celebrates the Latin It has the @ sign. I haven't seen that before. I've seen Latinx. I'm Latina. I get it. That was dumb of me, but it was a little confusing. The Latina culture and her heritage by using Nopal Cactus Oil in all of her products. An ancient symbol of Mexican culture, Nopal is one of the most sustainable, nourishing, and resilient crops in the world. This small but mighty zero-waste bar is uniquely formulated with plant butters, Nopal, and Mexican botanicals to deeply moisturize. So I don't know that this is a soap. Moisture melts, a botanical bar. I think it's actually not a soap. I knew they had a product that wasn't soap, so it might be, oh, sorry. I think it might be like a product that you, like a solid lotion, almost, solid lotion bar. It's a nice smell. You know, I used one of these soaps, and it was the lemongrass scented soap, and I used it all over my body, and I got like a full body rash. And I was able to determine that it was due to that soap because I used it everywhere. It's the only soap I used everywhere, and I got the rash everywhere. So I think I probably either have some type of allergy, I guess, some type of skin allergy from something in that specific soap. So I eventually stopped using it on my body once I figured it out. So I'm hoping that it's lemongrass and not an ingredient that's common in all their products, like not the Nopal, which is their main thing. So let's hope that that's accurate, that I don't have an allergy to everything, because I guess what I would have a little rash right there. All right, let's see. So at the beginning of this, it says, it's lucky number 7 for us, and Beauty Heroes is celebrating with a special discovery featuring a diverse creation of 5 truly original and universal products that deliver results for any skin type, tone, or tendency. All right, let's check out the Blissoma Refine Clay Renewal Treatment. This one. It is 70 grams with a value of $40. It's the ultimate balancing act for all skin types. Put this mask on. Yay, I love masks. I didn't know what it was. Put this mask on your weekly indulgence list. A base of Moroccan Rasoul clay gently pulls out impurities and reinfuses the trace minerals that your skin needs. Willow bark and raw organic celery juice help with deep pore cleansing and gentle exfoliation. Live enzymes and mild compounds gently dissolve away dead skin cells. It's also great to use as a spot treatment on blemishes before bed. Who doesn't need this? Nice. I'm excited. Like I said, I haven't used anything from this Blissoma yet, so this is what it looks like. I love new masks. I'm so excited. So it says, wash skin with mild cleanser before application. Apply a consistent layer of clay to face and neck or to troubled spots as needed. Wait 15 minutes or until dry. Remove with warm water and gently pat dry. Tone and moisturize. Cool. Ooh, I'm opening it up. It's sealed. It's always like that decision, do I open it? But yes, I do. Ooh. Oh, I like the kind of an interesting scent. I love the look of the texture. It's not like goop, you know, it's not like pouring out, but it looks, let's try a little. It looks very like, ooh, it's very cooling. Nice. Ooh, this will be nice to try. It feels really good. I love trying masks. I love that it's not like a huge amount of mask too, because if you're like me, you have a few masks open. Although I am trying really hard to focus on using my less liked masks more frequently, and then I'm having trouble getting this top on, and then saving my like special ones to use here and there. I'm kind of like, AKA I'm trying to use up the ones that I don't love, my older ones, so I can really enjoy my newer ones. I cannot get this thing back on, so we're just gonna leave it off for now. But that seems to be a really nice mask. I like, you know, what I'm seeing from it upon first opening and touching it, and it's on my skin here, and it feels moisturizing and stuff. It's drying out a little now, so that'll be great to try. All right, next up we have the Gradin Skincare Face Glow. This is so exciting. Getting 5 products is a fun thing. All right, so here's what it says about this. I also don't think I've tried anything from Gradin. Something just fell out of it, paper. 40 milliliters, $46. Why we love it. A glow for every shade of skin under the sun. So it's all packaged up in there. All right, ooh. Pretty. Nice. This multitasking lightweight tinted moisturizer features semi-precious smithsonite to promote skin elasticity, mineral-rich, substantially sourced mica to highlight, raspberry seed oil to brighten, and zinc-rich pumpkin seed oil and aloe vera juice to soothe. Non-nano zinc offers protection against the elements, and the tint adapts to your skin color. Use as moisturizer / tinted primer or as a highlighter illuminator. Okay, so it's not listed as a sunscreen, but it has some zinc, so some protection. So I think you'd have to still use your SPF. Let's just see how it comes out. You know, whoa. I was gonna say, you know how you have to like get it going a little bit the first time you use it. All right, that's an interesting, it almost looked a little purpley. My lighting is a little funny right now, but anyways, let's see. Actually, like is a very similar, sort of similar color to the mask I just put on the other hand, but this, I don't know how you can see I have like my lights on behind. But anyways, this is what it looks like. We can see how it moisturizes in to my hand, how it blends in, I should say. Ooh, it's a nice smell. Something like a little gourmand, like a little dessert like smelling. It smells really good. It's a scent I really like. So that went right in. Ooh, this will be fun to try. Cool. This is nice little packaging too. Not huge, you know? All right, what else do we have in this wonderful box? Inner Sense Organic Beauty Detox Hair Mask. Why we love it. Purifies all hair types from the elements. Purifying kaolin clay rids your hair of buildup and daily pollution, and vinegar enhances shine. Lang Lang, orange, patchouli, and lavender make this creamy mask smell like a day at the spa. Beauty Heroes founder Jeannie Jarneau says it's the product she didn't know she needed and now she can't live without. Cool. Pretty positive that this is not the one I have. This goes, I want to see, roots to ends. Okay, the other one I have is a hair, I don't think it's a detox hair mask. It's like the other mask they have. But I remember featuring this on one of my beauty news. I am going to open it. Can't help myself. All right, let's see. I'll just put a little out to show you guys. My lighting is a little funny. Right. So that's what it looks like. So it's a, ooh, whoa, that's nice. So obviously this will be going on the hair, not on my skin, but nice. Clarifying detox treatment. Yeah, the one I have is not this one. It's I think it's white, whereas this one is like a charcoal clay type mask. So nice. It does smell like a nice clay mask. Kind of smells like, if anyone knows the Cocoa Kind Sea Kale clay mask, it's a facial mask, kind of smells like that. All right, and last up, we have the violets. I just have some stuff all over me. So violets are blue. Luminate Gel Cream, 15 milliliters for $68. Why we love it. It's new, it's anti-gravity, it's anti-filler, and it works for under 40 eyes. Under 40 eyes too. Founder Cynthia Besteman is celebrating her 10-year cancer-free anniversary, and women of a certain age with a new eye serum featuring eye bright, mallow, licorice, clary sage, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide to lighten, brighten, and hydrate the delicate skin around the eye area. 3 potent peptides noticeably smooth the appearance of lines. The serum goes on like a gel, emulsifies like a cream, and helps with fine lines and wrinkles, puffiness, and crepiness. Lightweight and light aroma make this universally appealing to men and women alike. That's cool. I have a few eye products open, but I use one mainly in the morning, the Cocoa Kind eye cream. And then at night I use trial size of the One Love Organics. It has Eye Bright. It's their under eye like oil. And that one, I like the Cocoa Kind one. I don't like the One Love Organics one. It's an oil that really does not absorb well. So it's just like really like greasy under the eyes and stuff. I'm not a huge fan of it. I'm going to use it in full, but I wouldn't repurchase it. So it's always nice to like get another eye product. This is really pretty. Looks, I mean, the packaging is pretty. It's like frosted glass. So has a lot of nice ingredients, niacinamide, peptides, Eye Bright. I need to do more research on Eye Bright, hyaluronic acid. So let's put a little on here. Oh, we gotta unlock it. Yeah, there we go. All right, so let's see. It's set. Oh, it's a little drippy. Goes on, so it's a serum that goes on like a gel, emulsifies like a cream. It goes on like a gel. It's kind of watery. It's probably, that would probably be more than I would need under my eyes. Definitely feels nice. I just hope I'll have to do less than a pump because that was a lot for under the eyes, but that seems like a subtle smell too. But I have like a lot of products going on here. I have this all over me here. I need to learn to have like wipes with me while I test these out. Anyways, I am so excited. This is a great box. So just to recap, we have the Blissoma Clay Renewal Treatment. So that is the mask. Yay. The Gradin Skincare Face Glow. This is the tinted moisturizer. The hair mask from Sense. The Nopalera Moisturizing Botanical Bar. And the eye gel cream from Violets Are Blue. So this is amazing. It's like we have a mask, we have a hair product, we have a lotion bar, we have a tinted moisturizer, and something for the eyes. It's exciting. I just have it all scattered here. It's so lovely. Wow. Awesome. So that is everything. I just wanted to unbox with you guys. I love opening it with you. It's so fun. And the fact that we got 5 products, and I'm happy because they're 5 products I've never used, which is exciting. And I haven't used Blissoma, Gradin, or Violets Are Blue. I have used some Sense and I have used some Nopalera. So it is awesome to try so many new products, and all these products are new to me. So yay. Definitely let me know if you got this box or what you think of it, or if you've used any of these products. I always love to hear what you guys think. I will be using these throughout the month, and I will come with a video at the end of September to let you know my thoughts on these. I normally post videos on Wednesdays, like when this one is being posted, and Saturdays. It's Labor Day weekend coming up, and I'm going away with my family, so I'm not going to post a video on Saturday. So my next one should be a week from now, next Wednesday. So just to let you know, taking a few days off to spend time and celebrate Labor Day weekend with my family. So everyone have a great Labor Day weekend, or whenever you're watching this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up. Sorry, my cat's trying to rub against the phone right now. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, and definitely leave some comments because you guys know that I love chatting with you. And consider subscribing to the channel if you enjoyed it and would like to be alerted for when the next video is coming out. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.